Good morning. Today we're going to walk through, we just acquired this house from the city. It's a lien abatement house. We do a walkthrough, I change locks, open up the house. No one has been through this house, so you guys will be as surprised as I am when we go through this house. So I don't know what we're going to see, but hopefully you guys will enjoy it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you. As you can see, the first thing we're going to have to do, it's all boarded up, so we'll go ahead and get the correct tools that we need with the torque bit or screwdrivers or whatever. Make sure you have a combination of all kinds of little bits, Torx bits, and Phillips screws, because you don't know what you're going to get into when you go try to open up a house that someone else has boarded up. As you can see, our door from the house is laying right here on the ground, so I don't know what we're going to get into, so we'll go ahead and start unscrewing the plywood. As you can see, we got the plywood loose. Keep out video recording camera. Someone put a sign on here. They were probably having people break into the house, that they were tired of it. And if you look around the neighborhood, you can see the house behind us has a video camera that they're recording everything in this backyard. So apparently they've had squatters and people trying to break into this house all the time. We got it unhinged. We got, as first thing you can see, we got a big hole in the floor here. So watch your step as we walk through.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Okay, let's go.
There you have it.
I told you to watch the hole.
Yeah, I did watch the hole.
I told you to watch your step. Here you did already. Fell through the floor where I told you, watch your step. Seriously, people, watch what you go through these houses, because there's needles. You don't know what you're gonna find. I mean, feces to anything, so please, I mean, watch your step. Don't touch stuff until you have the correct PPE stuff to go into these houses and remove stuff. Because our guys, when they go in and trash these houses, they wear the Tyvek suits. I mean, we've dressed up in full respirators and masks before to have to just go through and look at a house. So please, wear the correct equipment for your house. Okay, we're gonna walk through the house now. Please watch your step when you walk through. Trying to look through the house just to see the condition of the roof, how all the lean-tos, everything's on it. You can see this is kind of an add-on. So coming into the kitchen, you would call it a kitchen. You can definitely see that this is a hoarder house. Still has all the food, everything in the cabinets. Right now, what I'm looking for is water heater, electrical box, the heat system, and it's kind of hard to see anything in the house, as you can tell. So a lot of times we have to trash out the house before we can even see what's in the house, because the floors are probably bad. This is the living room as we're walking into now. They had kind of a makeshift, it looks like it must be the heat must be up in the attic because of the makeshift fan that they have set up there. One of the bedrooms that we're into now, and this does have the panel. Everything's been stripped out of the electrical, so there's nothing there.
Wow.
We'll come through the archway. I would take this was a living room, probably, since we have the front door. But really hard to see anything, you guys. This is what we get, and this is what you guys will get too when you buy these houses. They must have pets, lots of feces around, so they must have had a pet locked up into this room here. It does kind of, I mean, the smell isn't real bad, but definitely a hoarder house.
So what's the next step here, Ron?
Next step is we'll go ahead and we'll walk back out, board it back up again. But my thing is I'll go back to the group and ask them to go ahead and have this be able to trash it out and get it trashed out right away. So that way I can come back in and get a good evaluation of the house, because it's hard to give an evaluation of what needs to be done when the only thing you can see is the ceiling. And the ceilings don't look real awful bad, but there is lots of holes, as you can see, in the walls and stuff, so there is a lot of patching to go on, but you can't really see anything, and you don't know how the floors are. As you can see, the back door, as you can already fall through the holes, so be careful as you're walking through these houses. Please, needles, there's all kinds of things. You don't know what's here. We're back in the back here. It looks like this is where I take it their bathroom was, or is, because there's a shower there, toilet, and everything. Never lift your toilet seat up, please. Never lift the toilet seat up or open a refrigerator. Fair warning. But utility room, bathroom. Electrical, so far I can tell you we have issues by all the electrical gang wiring that they did throughout this house, so there's probably electrical issues that we're going to have to deal with. Could not find the water heater. We found the panel, it was stripped, so, and then the heat might be up in the attic, and I'm not going to set up a ladder until we can get this house cleaned out to where we can walk through it.
Okay, so the next step is to just trash it out and then re-walk through to see what we've got.
Re-walk through and do a scope of work, what the house needs. So we'll walk through and make up a list if it needs windows, ceiling, sheetrock done, wiring done, plumbing done, cabinets. We'll walk through and make up a list of everything that we can see that needs to be taken care of, painting, floors. So I mean, you'll have a list, a big list.
Okay. In the meantime, let's get out of here.
Like and subscribe to find out what we're going to do next with this house. Thank you.